and added H2SO4 into it, and after adding H2SO4 and zinc, we are heating it. We are going to observe the pop sound. That hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. So you have listened this pop sound, that hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. What a beautiful sound comes over here. Once again we will see the hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. It is a very simple experiment. You have to take zinc granules, H2SO4. Once again we are going to do. Observe it keenly. This time a small sound comes over here. Alisha, you have observed sound? Alisha, you have observed or not?